currently, merong nagtitrending sa Instagram, guys. So, let's try it. It's the flash thingy. And you need to click this effect. And then, itong flash film style sa baba. So, let's see if paano to. Okay, naglo-loading pa siya. Kasi ang gaganda ng mga pictures nila, guys. Okay. Goods na to. Okay, film nga siya, guys. Okay, paano to i-save? Okay, download. Try pa natin ng ibang pictures. Let's see about this. Okay, same procedure, flash. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Tagal niya. Okay, my lips looks weird. AF. Oh my God. Pero ang ganda ng vibe. Ang weird lang ng lips ko. Parang binigyan ako ng tip. Tsaka yung eyebrows ko are too thick. Anyway, save ko pa rin. So, another. Ito. Ito ba? Okay, let's see. Flash film style. Sana maganda to. Oh my God. I don't like the face. Pero yung vibe is very nice. Ayoko na yung face. Anyway, save ko pa rin. Last one. This. Alright. AI talaga to, guys. So, if ayaw yung AI, just do the Lightroom method or editing method. Maganda yung vibe pero ang weird ng aking face. Or ako lang to talaga. Anyway, it's a nice filter. Nasa sa inyo na kung gusto nyo yung AI or not.